Hello everybody, and today this is going to be a tutorial on how to mod the new Minecraft launcher. And this launcher was released in around 1.6, I believe. And so the things that you're going to need is a Mac, because this is what I'm doing the tutorial for, as you can see. And your mods and the new Minecraft launcher up and running. Like, you already have all the system files installed. So what you want to do is you want to hover over down to Finder, right click, go to folder, and make sure that it says users / your username, this is mine, and /library / application support / Minecraft, and you hit go. So you might see a bunch of stuff like me from the previous mods that I've added before this update was released. So the only thing you need to worry about is this versions folder. Everything else is irrelevant because I'm not going to be using them today. But what you want to do is if you have any, the resources folder or the bin folder, I already deleted them. But if you have them, you can go ahead and delete them because they're irrelevant now because they're not needed. So you're going to open up the versions folder and you might see a couple versions here depending on how many you have installed. So the version I'm going to be modding today is 1.6.2 because that's what most of the mods that I have are released for. Actually, all of them. But if you open one of these up, you'll see there's the jar folder and then the .json. I don't know. And so you don't want to mess with any of these, but what you want to do is you want to duplicate the folder that you're going to be modding, or the version. And you want to rename this so it doesn't have any special characters like these, and you don't want any spaces like this, or else it will not work. So we want to keep that in mind. So for this video, we're going to call it custom, and you want to rename the jar to custom, and you also want to name this guy over here to custom. There we go. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up this with text edits. Hit other, always open with. Oh, actually, you don't have to do that, but that's what I recommend. Oh, whoops. Hit T for text edit and do that. So you might see a bunch of stuff here that will make 0 sense to you. If it does make sense for you, then good for you. But if it doesn't, then that's alright. So you want to go ahead where it says ID and the version number, and you want to get rid of that version number. Do not get rid of the quotations, those are important, and just put your folder name. And since I named mine custom, you want to do that. Next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up this guy. So to do that, we need to name this to custom.zip. And you want to extract it with archive utility or whatever one that you prefer. Okay, so now you're going to have a folder called custom. Go clean this up, open it up, and you want to install all of your mods. So I'm going to go ahead and install all my mods, and I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, welcome back, and currently we just finished installing these mods. So once you finish installing them, you want to open this up, press down Command A, right click it, and hit compress. Okay, and then you should find it, right? There we go. And I suggest doing arrange by kind because it makes it much easier to find this. Drag this onto your desktop, whatever. And you can go ahead and delete the custom folder, not the main one, just the one inside. Okay, basically do not delete the one in the versions folder, this one. But you can go ahead and delete this folder, and you can also delete this custom.zip. Because what you're going to do is you're going to drag this guy in, clean up, and hit. And you're going to name this custom. Make sure that it's the same name as your folder. And change this to jar. Hit use jar. And the next step is to open up your Minecraft launcher. Okay. Local version editor. And you can see that it's in here. If it's not in there, then you want to make sure that you named the custom folder, that you named this custom, and that you named everything in this custom and follow the steps correctly. And then you hit edit profile, release custom, save profile, and hit play. And if you look here, it might say mod loaded, GL error. Don't worry about that. Okay, and we're gonna go and open up our test world. Whoa. Okay, there we go. As I was on this a little bit earlier. Here is our here we go. We have our villagers. We have everything. We have our spawner. There we go. We have a spawner with villagers. We can switch that to horses if we want. Alright guys, and let's open up our recipe book, and look at that. It worked perfectly. So if your mods don't show up, then you probably installed them wrong. Make sure to delete meta-inf if you're using mod loader. And yeah, that's it guys. NerdKidProductions here, signing out. Peace, have a great day. Hope this helped out tons, and bye.